Let's get a test run first. Can you see me? No? Position. Let's start this video off by saying I want everybody to wash their hands and stay inside. Don't go outside if you don't have to. Just stay home. Hand sanitizer will be good, so either or. It's best for you to get some hand sanitizer though. The gloves is cool, but sanitize and mask if you're gonna go out to get some food and stuff like that. But today I will be conducting a music video off my cell phone, which is an iPhone 8 Plus, Apple. Below in the description box, I will be providing the website where you can purchase the iPhone 8 Plus or any other iPhones. You would just have to navigate and search another iPhone. I guess the newest one out is the iPhone 11. So if that's what you want, purchase it. If you are a person that like to make videos and stuff like that, I recommend an iPhone because it comes with a 4K camera, and it also comes with the iMovie Maker, so you can edit your videos in the iMovie Maker, which I am about to do right now. So just sit tight while I do this, okay?
I got the drip, whoa, not counterfeit, whoa, I'm not gon' fumble, whoa, beat the pot, make double, whoa, got locked up in my Gucci belt, whoa, my Gucci belt got in trouble, whoa, we know we famous in Belize, whoa, took a op, nigga thought, whoa, fuck on your thought, they my bitch, whoa, I just pay time with your bitch, all my life I finesse. I done sibling with Lero, whoa. Try to play, shoot the club, shine pole, catch a body, random mouse. Homie gon' fold on the pressure. I got some people writing letters. I cannot switch on my brothers. Used to ride bikes with my brothers. Used to fuck dots with my brothers. Word the more dollars I need, more dollars. Must see so fresh, I think I'm hotter. The world is mine, I'm like Tony Montana. Go out like Tony Montana. If they plotting for my cabbage, whoa. I got the drip, whoa, not counterfeit, whoa, I'm not gon' fumble, whoa, beat the pot, make double, whoa, got locked up in my Gucci belt, whoa, my Gucci belt got in trouble, whoa, we know we famous in Belize, whoa, took a op, nigga thought, whoa.
Huh? Yeah, y'all ain't know I could do all that, huh? Y'all be... Hey, but we're gonna put that type of talking to the side and bring out the inner white voice. So, what you guys think? Did you like the video? If not, let me know what you think I should have did. And, you know, not the choreographic part of the video, but I guess making the video, the software, you think you guys can maybe use this as something to improvise. If you can't, maybe find a camera that was my PlayStation 3 controller. I have a friend that make YouTube videos. He's a Belizean, he's in Cuba, and he was one of my inspiration to making a somewhat review to how I made a music video off my iPhone 8 Plus. And what's up, Danny, man? This is Bag Bandit TV. Be sure to hit the subscribe button, like I said, and it's more to come, man. Stay tuned. View on this AC right here. I know it'd be hot in Belize, so I will be making a review on this AC. It's very portable. You can hook it up to your computer as well, and you can charge it up and move around, and it takes water right here. It change color. You can change the color, see? It's called Easy Home. So shout out to Easy Home, man.